You are once again welcome to Bio 211D Plant Physiology, Unit 3, Session 1, Water Potential. And by the close of this session, students should be able to describe the thermodynamics of water movement, state the symbol that represents water potential, give the basis for water movement, state the unit of water potential, and state the water potentials for various solutions that cause water movement from one region to another. Explain the usefulness of water potential to the plants. Thermodynamics of water movement. Water is made up of molecules. Each molecule possesses an inherent energy that causes motion in the molecule. This inherent motion causing energy of water molecules, like any other molecule of matter, is called kinetic energy. So it follows that inherently water flows because of its kinetic energy. This means that kinetic energy of water will depend on the concentration of the water molecules. Hence, in a system where the concentration of water molecules is high, its kinetic energy will be high to cause more flow and so impact on the water potential, which will equally be high. Pure water has only water molecules, so a system that has pure water has a very high water potential. In fact, pure water is considered to have the highest water potential. Now think about this. What will happen when two systems, atmosphere and soil, root, hair, cell, and soil, with different water concentrations are brought together? Note that water molecules in both systems will be moving about randomly, but it is obvious that there will be a net movement of water molecules from the region with a higher potential energy into the region with the lower potential energy. The net flow of water molecules from the region of higher potential to the region of lower potential will continue until the concentration of water molecules becomes the same in both systems. Unit of water potential. Water potential is expressed in pressure units. In the recent past, it was expressed in atmospheres, but now the pressure unit adopted for water potential by biologists is a Pascal. 1 Pascal is equivalent to 1 Newton per meter squared. The symbol for representing water potential is the Greek letter psi. As earlier stated, pure water has the highest water potential, and this by convention is set at 0. A solution will definitely have less water molecules than pure water, and so its water potential will be lower than that of pure water, and hence in terms of psi will be negative. So for a solution, the water potential will be negative at atmospheric pressure at a given temperature. Using the term water potential enables the tendency for movement of water between any two regions to be measured. What is necessary for water to move between any two regions is that they must be in contact with each other. This means that we can measure the water potential of water moving from soil to root hair cells, cell to cell in a plant, leaf cells to air or atmosphere. If you would take a look again at the system listed, you would notice that we are actually describing movement of water from the soil through the plant to the atmosphere. So water can be seen as moving from the soil through the plant into the air along a gradient of water potential. If the atmosphere of air around the plant should be dry, then it means the gradient of water potential between the soil and air will be very steep or sharp, and so cause water to move through the plant at a very fast rate. So in review, we have been saying that water potential describes the tendency of water molecules to move from one region to another, that water will always move from a region of higher water potential to a region with lower water potential. We have also noted that pure water has the highest water potential and by conversion is 0, but all solutions have lower water potentials than pure water and so have negative values of psi.